Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angels, and I have an unboxing for y'all. This is from Bath and Body Works, so I'm gonna open that up and share it with you. Before I share this with you, I do have an announcement I'd like to tell you. I will be changing my name. It's not going to be Southern Angels Boutique anymore. I'm going to be changing everything to, all my accounts are going to be changed. I believe I'm going to be changing them to, because I think I've already changed the Twitter account, because that was the easiest one to go ahead and do, to Southern Angels Stamping, since I am with Stampin Up as a demonstrator now, and it'll be just easier for people to find me on Stampin Up and do it that way. So I just kept everything as Southern Angels. I think I'll keep it that way, but just change the boutique. I've been Southern Angels Boutique for well over 10 years, I know. Started off like that probably on MySpace, I think it was. I don't know. I know from the beginning on Facebook. My daughter and I started that together. I was selling some clothes and household things and all that, and some crafts and just a little bit of everything. We really started out selling some clothing, and then started out selling some other household stuff, and then I started getting my crafts in there involved. So that's how the boutique came about, and she came up with the name Southern Angels Boutique. And then I kind of took it over on myself, and then I just started doing my crafts. And then I got on YouTube and everything. So that's how all the story about that came about. But I've been wanting to change it for years, but I had everything, already set up, and I just thought, well, I hate to change it, but now is a good time, and this is a good way to do it, and we'll just change it to Southern Angel Stamping. So I just want to announce that to you guys, and we'll get right on into this. So my husband wanted to take me shopping Saturday on his day off, and I wasn't feeling well. I've been sick. He's been sick, and I've been sick, and we're both starting to feel a little bit better. But Saturday I was real sick, and that's why I haven't been doing very many videos, and I apologize. I'm still trying to get pretty much over it. I didn't want to be coughing and sneezing every 2 seconds on the camera, so it's been difficult for me. So still sound a little scraggly and hoarse. I don't know if y'all can hear that in my voice or not, but anyway, I did not feel, if I don't feel like I don't get out of the house much. So when I say I'm not up to going shopping, and especially if he says he wants to take me shopping, I'm sick if I don't want to go out and go shopping. So yeah, I said, well, can we just order something online, honey? I really don't feel like going out. I'm just not up to getting out today. And he was like, well, okay, sure. What do you want to get? Well, I knew there was some stuff at Michael's, and especially if I don't want to go to the craft store, I've got to be sick. Because I can't tell you the last time I've, been out to a craft store. So, and I really did want to go, but there was just no way. I just knew I didn't feel good. So, we got on Michael's site, and he ordered me some couple of things from Michael's for my craft room that were they were 60 or 70% off, something like that, for their craft storage. So I'll be showing you, what we got. The two things are here. One thing, that my daughter's going to go pick it up tomorrow. And then the fun thing is you got to put the stuff together. So that'll help me out with getting some things organized. And then I had some coupons and stuff. I wanted to get some stuff I've been waiting for Bath and Body Works. So we got online, and he said, well, pick out what you want. So got on his laptop, and he said, show me what you want and I'll order it for you. So that's what I'm going to share with you right now. So just shows what I got. They sure package everything nicely. So here is all that. I love their pretty boxes. And yes, I'm still ordering from Grove, but I do like Bath and Body Works still, especially the Aromatherapy. So I've been waiting for some of their Aromatherapy to go on sale, and they had, what was it, buy two, get two. And this is my favorite, the lavender and cedarwood. And I'm sorry, there's a glare. There we go. So yes, I have been waiting for this to go on sale for the longest time. So got this, and I have not tried this. Is the lavender sleep hibiscus and yang yang, I think, is it that yang yang, is that how you pronounce it? So we got this one because I wanted to try that one. And they really package these up since they're glass bottles. And as I get it out of here. And then I also got the matching lotion. Isn't that bottle just beautiful? I love it. Love their packaging. That's so pretty. So I'm gonna smell this. I want to see what it smells like. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, boy, I'm gonna use that tonight. Boy, that really, that's nice. It really smells nice. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So if you've not tried that, definitely try it if you like Bath and Body Works. And no, I'm not affiliated in no way with Bath and Body Works. I just know what I like. I do like Grove's lavender though. I tell you what, their lavender is the best lavender I've ever tried. I guess I should try it. I did get their eucalyptus oil. I've never gotten that before, and I've been wanting to try some of their aromatherapy oils. So it's 3-in-1 aromatherapy oil. I've been wanting to try this. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, I like that a lot. And I like how they have the dropper bottles. A lot easier than the ones like my husband gets me, these little bottles where I have to turn up and drip. So I'll just see if they're as strong. Now I've got kind of 2 cents in my nostrils. It says essential oil, so it should be the same. Ooh, I tell you what, that opened me up though. So it should be. And then they had the candles, aromatherapy candles also. So you could either get the 3-wick candle on sale or buy 2 of the little jar candles. And I've never had the jar candles. That smells so nice. I love this lavender and cedar wood. So I thought, well, I want to get the jars. And he was like, well, do you want to get 2? You want 2 of the same ones, or you want a different or something? Because these are normally $14.50. And gosh, what did he pay? Can you remember? I don't know if it says on the sheet or not. Let's see. Yeah, the single wick candles were $7.20 instead of the $14.50. And what, the 3-wick candles are normally what, 22 or $25 or something like that. And I think they were on sale for maybe $14 and something or something like that. I can't remember what it was. So anyway, I said, well, I wanted the 2 small ones. That's what it was. I could have either gotten the 1 big one or the 2 small ones. But yeah, I opted for the 2 small ones. They smell so good. I was just so happy. Because I like these in my bedroom on my nightstand, and with it being so small of a night table, I thought the small ones would fit better. So that's why. And to be a little bit different. So that's all. That's all I got. Just a very small little haul there. It was enough. So we spent about $44.51. We had some coupons that we were allowed to use. So this was everything. This was buy 2, get 2, and then this was a 2 deal. So, y'all let me know if y'all have ever tried any of these products, and if you haven't tried any of these, if you think you will, try them, let me know. And let me know what your favorite Bath & Body Works product is. I'd love to hear in the comments below. Also, please remember to give me a thumbs up for watching this video. And if you're not a subscriber, please remember to subscribe. And also, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers, because y'all have helped me so much. I want to thank everybody who's ever subscribed to me, and all of you that have been watching, because I've got an announcement to make. I have reached 900 subscribers now. I am so happy. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed to me from the very beginning, and who has still subscribed to me, and who has been watching, and all the new subscribers. When I got on and noticed I had 900, I was like, wow, you know. So I'm almost to 1,000. So y'all please share, please share. I'm determined. I want to get my 1,000 subscribers now by the end of this month. Okay, so y'all help me do that. I appreciate it. So I thank y'all for watching, I thank y'all for subscribing and for sharing and everything that y'all have done. And y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all again very soon. Bye-bye.